Hi, I want to show you how to remap power button on your Google Pixel 9a. For that, open up your settings first and now find System section in the list. Then I want you to go in Gestures, scroll down and find option Press and Hold Power Button. So we have two options. We can either set it to Digital Assistant, and with pressing power button we can trigger Gemini or Google Assistant. Also, if you decide to select this option, then you can change press and hold duration. You can make it short, like this, or maybe long, like that, or just save it to the default option. But if you want to set something else, then select Power menu, and with holding Power button, you can choose Power Off menu, in which you can turn off your phone, restart, lock down, and call emergency services. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.